Okay, I wasn't, okay, hold on. Let me get my bearings. I'm excited today because I have a pre-birthday haul. I have 2 bags to share with you from Louis Vuitton. One is definitely a fail, and I already opened it, so it's gonna be like a reveal. Both of these gifts I purchased myself. They're not from Keith, and I can't wait to share it with you. So, if you want to see what I have and what the epic fail is all about, stick around. Alright guys, so I'm not going to start out with a bag of the day because I don't have a bag of the day, because over the weekend we took our almost 5-year-old grandson Harley to Monster Wheel show, and we had to take a clear bag, so I used my clear Lulu, and I haven't really been anywhere since because I've had a virus, and I'm much better today, so I haven't changed into another bag yet. Not quite sure what bag I'm going to change into. It might be this new one, not sure. I have to look at the weather, because if it's going to rain, I can't use this bag. But anyway, you guys, also I wanted to share with you, I shared this on Instagram. I have decided to part with this gorgeous Tabby 20 in the dragon fruit. It's beautiful, it's brand new, and I know some of you said, oh, you can pull that color off. I know I can, but will I wear it? You can see that it still has the paper in it. These are $3.50 with tax and shipping, plus tax and shipping. And I'm asking $2.99 for a brand new Tabby bag. And she's just beautiful. So if you wanted something in dragon fruit and you missed out, this is a great little bag, shoulder, crossbody. $2.99, PayPal, friends and family only, or Venmo. Let me know if you're interested. All right, guys, let's get on into the video. And I'm going to share with you something that was very disappointing for me, because I love the look of it. I love the style of it. I love everything about it. So stop yapping and show us what it is, right? Okay, let's go ahead and let me show you my fail. I was disappointed in the size, okay? So here it is. It's the Azure mini bum bag. This was a new release, and I pre-ordered it, and I love the look of it. I love everything about it, except I wish it were bigger. I love a bum bag, and this bum bag, I love it. But to me, when I opened it up, the first thing I noticed is that it's lopsided. The zipper, you see that? The zipper. See? And I'm not super picky. Right when I looked at it, I thought, oh my gosh, it's wonky. Because it is. It's wonky. And I thought it's smaller than I thought it was. Now this chain that goes to it, I love it. It's kind of like a Rolo chain. And looking at it now, I'm kind of getting pitter-patters in my heart that I didn't get when I first saw it. I guess because I'm looking at it again and I know she's going back to the store. If this bag were just even a couple of inches bigger, and not even so much the bag, well, yeah, the bag, but also, to me, this little pocket, what are you gonna do with it? It's a buttery zipper, and it's got that beautiful pink ballerine on the inside. Oh, it's just beautiful. I just wish it were a little bit bigger. Louis Vuitton, come out with a medium-sized mini. And then I would get it. I really don't think this is very useful, and I love how it pops out a bit, but I just think the whole thing is a little bit small. But she's going back. I'm gonna package her up and send her back to Becca. So I'm not really a returner, but I know Becca wants me to be happy with my purchases, and I'm just sending her back. Okay, I'm trying to talk myself into it, which I'm totally sending her back. Okay, so let me turn it around this way. This is option number 2, and I pray, dear Jesus, Lord, I hope this is good, okay? I hope I love it. If I had to send this back, the next one back, it's gonna be something new for me, because I totally don't do that, but I will. If I have to. Wow. Okay, that was a feat. Okay, let me just say something. One more thing about the bum bag. I know it's the mini bum bag, duh. But it's more mini than I thought it was gonna be. Okay. So here is option number 2 in this big box. Here it is, guys. Let's just get it out of this box and toss it. Bam. All right. So we have the new style box here. True unboxing. Oh Lord, I hope I love it. I hope I love it. I don't want to send it back, Becca. Oh my gosh, I would be so embarrassed to have to do that. I know she wants me to be happy. She's the best, but I would hate to have to do it, okay? But I have to do what I have to do. There it is. Oh, I got a card. That's exciting. Oh my gosh. Thank you so very much, my dear Yota. Oh my gosh, thank you, Becca. A handwritten note from Becca. I'm gonna have to keep that. I'm gonna put that in a little white frame. Seriously, it means that much to me. Oh, I love Becca, she's the best. And I've met her in person, you guys. I've met her in person. All right, so things are falling. All right, here it is. Here it is in her dust bag. And she sent me quite a few samples which fell out of the little small dust bag. And I'll look at those in a minute because I'm really excited to share this bag with you guys. I'm excited to see it myself. The moment of truth, guys. My spring summer bag is the Slouchy PM. Okay, so I watched videos on it, and I know when you first pull it out, and really looking at her right now, she looks beautiful. She slouches when you put your items in the bag, and my items are downstairs, so I'll just put a few things that I have on my desk in it, but she comes like this. She has the beautiful lock detail. You guys, I love Azure. Why doesn't Louis Vuitton do more Azure? Now, I did sell my Artsy, the Azure one, because of the bulk of it, and that's why I didn't go with a MM. And let's just push her down like that. Okay, I love that look. Isn't that cute? So it allows enough room for your shoulder. I'll put it on, make sure that it's comfortable for me. I need to look her over really well. I see something that looks a little suspect. So let me turn the camera off and check her over, and I'll be right back. All right, I think she's fine. I'm not super picky, like I said. I think on one side, and I don't think the camera would pick it up. Now I can't even find it because it's that minute. I saw a little stitch that I thought was a popped stitch, but it's not. Yeah, there it is. It just looks a little different from the other side, but it's not a big deal. Not to me. Okay. It has the pink interior. Oh, I love that pink ballerine. You know, I didn't used to be a fan, but now I love it. And that's how our styles and our taste can change. This is strictly a shoulder bag, and Becca was sure to tell me that, which I knew that it was. And I don't really have, well, I have shoulder bags, but this is a great, I hope, will be a great everyday shoulder bag carry. So I'm gonna just put in this Tory Burch bag I have. Dawn got me this years ago for Christmas, I think, and I've always used it. It's a makeup bag, but I've always, and it's wipeable. I've always used it for batteries and things like that. I'm gonna put that in there, toss my phone in there. Let me go ahead and zip it. I love the zipper, that it zips from both sides. I like that feature a lot, so that's good. So see, I have some things in there, and it slouches, and I love a good slouch. I really do, and it's a really cool looking bag. Now, this is the moment of truth. I'm gonna put it on my shoulder. It's got the little slouch. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Now, it's got plenty of room and I don't like a shoulder bag that keeps falling off your shoulders, and I don't think this is going to do it. Becca sent me quite a few videos and pictures, and it looked great on her. And yeah, hey, you know, you're always going to have to adjust a shoulder bag, but I don't think it's one of those that's just going to constantly slip off. This feels very comfortable. I think I would have been disappointed in the MM because I did consider it, because that's why I sold my Artsy, and it was a beautiful bag and I really hated to let it go. But guys, I've got a glass here and it keeps moving around. Okay, the MM would have reminded me a lot of my Artsy that I sold, and I sold it because it was bulky, not because I didn't love it. Oh my gosh, I love it, Becca. Oh, it feels, and you know, I don't know. I know we hear a lot about Louis Vuitton and other luxury brands. The quality is going downhill, and this one definitely has a wonky zipper. But this canvas feels very substantial to me. I kid you not. It feels very substantial and very well made. And like I said, there's one tiny spot, and I know Becca looks over my stuff with a fine-tooth comb, that I kind of noticed. At first I thought it was a pop stitch, but it's not. Okay, there's a little wrinkling here, right here, but that's because the way the bag's made, that's the nature of the leather. The glazing looks really good. And you know, Louis Vuitton, they do stand by their products. I've never, ever gotten anything and they've given me a hard time. Like if I need to return something, which has been very rare over the past 20 years, I've never had a problem. So it looks very well made, very substantial. I know that, you know, she's pricey, but you know what? I love her and I can afford her. And you know, people are always saying, well, who wants to pay that price for canvas? Me, okay, me. I like canvas. I love canvas. And to me, Louis Vuitton is canvas. It's the monogram, it's the azure, it's the ebene. To me, that's what Louis Vuitton is. You know, and I do love their leather bags, but I prefer their canvas bags. I'm gonna pay for them. If I want it, I'm gonna buy it. And that's just how I feel. If you can afford it and you love it, and somebody doesn't think you've made a wise choice, who cares what they think? Unless they're buying it for you. I mean, if there's anybody out there that wants to buy me a Louis Vuitton leather bag, I mean, who am I to stop you, right? Because usually if I want leather, I'm going Coach. Okay? I love it, Becca. I love it. I love it. And this side, like I said, does have a little crinkling, and this side, oops, this side doesn't, but that doesn't bother me. Some people would send it back over that. Not me. I'm very happy with it, and I know that if something happens to the bags that I purchase, Becca will always do me right. She's always done me right, and she always, well, she's the best. I'm at a loss for words, because I do think this is a gorgeous bag. It's exactly what I wanted. All 2,500, how much was she? 2,590? Something like that. Worth every penny to me, because this is a bag that I'm going to grab. This is natural vachetta. It will honey. I am going to use Apple Guard on mine. I always do. Never had an issue. I'm not telling you to, but I'm going to do it. So that's my birthday haul from me to me. And you know, I'm always holding up this sign. To subscribe, and let's get to 7K. Well, now I don't think I'm ever gonna get to 7K, because you know what? I don't think YouTube is gonna let me get to 7K. I swear I've not moved. My status has not moved in months. And I told you guys that before. There's something wonky going on, okay? With the algorithm, something weird. So please subscribe. I mean, I'm still going to ask you to subscribe. That would be great. And I'm not going to fix this freaking sign until I get to 7K. This is what you guys are going to have to look at, okay? All the letters fell off. So, 7 Co-E-I-Y YotaStyle, okay? Do what the sign says. Well, I don't want to end this video on a bad note, so I'm